Women's Short Sewing Tutorial, Palindromi Pattern. Prepare the pockets. Double fold the pocket opening by 1 cm and secure with a seam. Position the pocket on front A according to the markings and secure it with a seam. This model is designed for non-stretch fabric, but if you prefer, you can use stretch fabric too. Sew front A and front B along the central lines, right sides together and serge the seam. Then, if desired, top stitch on the right side to reinforce the seam. Sew the front and back side seams, right sides together and serge. Then, if desired, top stitch on the right side to reinforce the seam. Sew the crotch seams of the legs, right side together, and serge the seam. Sew the belt side seam with right sides together. Then, sew the ends of the elastic cord together to form a loop. Fold the belt in half. Place the elastic loop between the folded layers of the belt. Pin the elastic to the belt, distributing it evenly so that, when released, the gathers look nice. Then secure the elastic to the belt with a seam along the center. As you sew, stretch the elastic. Sew the unstitched edge of the belt to the waistline of the shorts with right sides together, then serge the seam. I suggest starting from the side seam. Keep the shorts positioned under the belt while sewing. Then, if desired, top stitch on the right side to reinforce the seam. Finally, finish the leg hems by folding the edge twice, dual fold, and stitching 2 cm.